Don't be fooled. Look closely. Electronics retailer Big Camera disguised its elevator as an Odakyu Line train car. Store management spiffed up the lift for the store opening in Machida, a Tokyo suburb. Customers step off the Odakyu Line at Machida Station and onto the elevator in just a few seconds. The inside also looks like a train car.
関東女にも驚いてます。小学5年の息子がいて、電車が好きだから面白がって喜んでます。本物みたい、間違って入りそうみたいな。
Big Camera is trying to make its stores more entertaining.
今後においても体感っていうところを非常に力を入れてお客様に楽しんでもらえるような店作りをやっていきたいと考えております。